Guys, if I
Hello
pass
po.
away tomorrow, I want you to know I love you all
Herman
very, very much.
Verbapoli. Mga hidden signs and symptoms ng depression, na depressed na pala tayo. So number 1, irritable, napakabilis nating nag-irita. Yung mga simpleng bagay na hindi naman tayo naiinis,
That hurt my feelings.
irita na tayo. At may kasama na ring anxiety yan. Number 2, masakit lagi ang katawan. Sakit ang shoulder, ang likod, may headache, sometimes dizziness or vertigo. May low back pain, stomach ache, lalo na yung stomach ache. Ramdam mo, lagi kang masakit yung tiyan mo. Yan number 2. Ang pinaka-importante, itong severe fatigue. Pagod na pagod ka. I-describe mo ito na ayaw mong gumalaw. Yet kahit na nakapulog ka ng maayos, kahit na nakapagpahinga ka, you feel you're tired, wala kang energy. So, observahan niyo yan. Yan yung mga signs and symptoms
Bad joke!
depression.
Ang galing talaga ng ibang tao magtago ng sakit. She looked so okay, even posting like everything was normal. Pero ayun, life had other plans. It's a painful reminder to always choose kindness, kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng iba. Minsan, yung ngiti na nakikita mo, tinatakpan lang yung bigat na hindi na nila kayang sabihin. Your words can either hurt or heal, and you'll never know who among the people you meet every day is just trying their best to hold on. Kaya please, if you can be kind, just be kind. You'll never know how much it can mean to someone who's barely holding it together. Always be careful. God bless.